unpacking my stuff, my board for tomorrow. We're going to La Graciosa at maybe at 2 a.m. and hopefully it's going to be a good day because the swell is pretty good.
Hey guys, what's up? Day 3, sailing. We started sailing by 4 a.m. and there's still like 2 hours left before to get to La Graciosa, and condition looks pretty good. It's a sunny day, pretty warm. Crew is so stoked, so it's gonna be an epic day. What's better than that? Sailing for 10 days.
My headache.
I would like to go there and jump on the rat, but I don't want to get too wet.
Yeah, super stoked. Went to surf over there.
Sexy time.
This is the right-hander just down there in this beautiful place. I don't know where I am at the moment, which maybe this is Lanzarote, I don't know. The captain just drove me in some nice solid wave. It was super fun. I was so scared for him, but we made it. Woo, cheers!
Hey guys, it's 7 a.m. I caught my first fish ever with this rope, this little fishing line, and Alepio is trying to catch a fish now during 2 days with this route. So you just need this if you want to be real fisherman.